Welcome to another video, and here is our math challenge for today. We want to find the value of x in this problem, given that x divided by x minus 1 square plus x divided by x plus 1 square equals 10 over 9. But looking at this, the denominator of these are different. One is positive and one is negative. So to solve this problem, along the line of this video, we are going to explore this formula. So here is the difference of the two square. A square plus b square equals a plus b all square minus 2ab. So which is called the sum of two square, and we are going to apply this formula in the course of this video. So let's get into it. So the first thing we are going to do here is we are going to divide through by x. Then doing that, we have 1 divided by 1 minus x all square plus, and for the second one as well, we have 1 divided by 1 plus 1 divided by x all square as well, and everything equals 10 divided by 9. So on getting to this, what we do next is we are going to let 1 divided by x to be another letter. So I'm going to choose letter y to represent 1 over x, just to make this thing easy to handle. Then doing that, we have 1 divided by 1 minus y all square plus 1 divided by 1 plus y all square equals 10 divided by 9. So having this, we are now going to apply that. But before that, let me show you something. So here is formula I used to share in my community group. So I would like to implore you to be engaging on that community, as I'll be sharing some important formulas that will be useful in solving some math problem. So here is this interval notations. So and we have like close and the open intervals, and here is their representation in inequality forms. So my next video, I'll be dropping another one, and always check my community group for a special formulas like this. So let's back to the questions. Then on getting to this, so let's now apply the difference of the two square, as I've already represented this as a and b according to the formula provided. Then I've introduced everything in that formula, and the next thing is we find the LCM at this stage. So if the LCM is 1 minus y and 1 plus y, then the next thing is we say 1 minus y in all these denominator, we have 1 plus y only, and similarly with the second one, then all square minus 2 bracket. So for this, we multiply 1 by 1, and 1 minus y is going to multiply 1 plus y. But looking at this, just like difference of a two square, so we just multiply 1 by 1, and we also multiply y and the y together only. You need to show all the steps, so just multiply the first and the last together, then we get it. So equals x 10 divided by 9. So plus y minus y cancelled, and we'll have 1 and 1, which is 2. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then this is also the difference of the two square, which becomes 1 minus y square all raised to the power of 2 minus 2 bracket 1 divided by 1 minus y square all equals 10 divided by 9. So again, instead of expanding this, looking at these two, just like the common things to them, which is 2 over 1 minus y square, we can just factor it out. So doing that, we have 2 over 1 minus y square outside. Then we create bracket for the other one, which is 2 divided by 1 minus y square. And for this one, it remains minus 1, since we have taken out the whole of 2 divided by 1 minus y square, and everything equals 10 divided by 9. So let's take care of the inside of the bracket. Then we have outside, which is 2 divided by 1 minus y square. So by finding the LCM here, we are going to have 2 minus, so 1 we multiply 1 minus y squared, and don't forget the negative, then everything divided by 1 minus y squared, all bracket equals 10 divided by 9. And the next thing is we have 2 over 1 minus y squared outside the bracket. Then for this, we multiply out with negative, and 2 minus 1 is just like 1. Then plus y square, because minus times minus y square is plus y square. and everything divided by 1 minus y square equals 10 divided by 9. Again, we multiply 2 by 1 plus y square, and we create bracket for it, which is 2 bracket 1 plus y square, all divided by, and for this as well, so they are the same. Then we just have 1 minus y square, then all in the parentheses and square, everything equals 10 divided by 9. Then the next thing is, from here 2 can go in 10, which is in 5 times, and we cross multiply by multiplying 9 with 1 plus y square. Then we have 9 bracket 1 plus y square equals 5. We multiply 1 minus y square all square, but for this one we can expand this. Yeah, we can expand this, and the result is 1 minus 2y square plus y raised to power of 4 all bracket. Then when we try to expand this with constant at the outside, we have 9 plus 9y square equals 5 minus 10y square plus 5y raised to power 4. Then let's collect all the terms to one side. So I'm taking all of them, all of this left hand side to right hand side. So doing that, we are going to have this as 5y raised to power 4. And when 9y squared go to other side, it changed to minus. And minus 10 minus 9 is just like minus 19. And we have y squared. Then taking 9 to other side as well, we have minus 4. Everything equals to 0. Yeah, so here is where we are going. Here is a quadratic equations. Then what we do here is, if we have this as y squared and all square minus 9y squared minus 4 equals 0. So this looks like quadratic equations of the general form of it, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Or let me just write it. We have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So it looks exactly the same thing, but instead of x we're having here is y squared. And to do this, let's get into it again. All right, so we have this result, and we are going to compare it with this general quadratic equation, or let's say we plug all these values in this general quadratic equation. Minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if this is it, and we are going to start with, instead of x we have y squared equals, and we know 19 is just like b, which is minus 19. Then we multiply with this negative here, it becomes positive 19. Then plus or minus square root of, so b is still remaining our minus 19 square minus 4 bracket. So a is 5, then c is minus 4. And we divide everything by 2 bracket 5, which is the value of a. All right, we have y squared equals 19 plus or minus the whole of this in the parentheses in the root, and when we multiply everything out and we take the square root of it, it becomes 21. Then all divided by 10. So you can just pause that video and you try that one out. We'll get it. So for this one, we take the positive side, we are going to have 40 divided by 10, and for the negative side as well, so we have y squared equals minus 2 divided by 10. Therefore we have y squared equals 4, and when we take the square root of both sides, we are going to have plus or minus 2. And similarly with this is a complex root. When we take the square root of both sides, and we are going to have plus or minus I divided by root 5. So then we have gotten the value of y, but what we need is x, not y. All right, so to recall from where we let our y to be equals 1 divided by x, then by making x the subject of the formula in this, we have x equals 1 divided by y. And to get the real value of x, we recall again that y equals plus or minus 2 for the first root. Then we have x equals 1 divided by plus or minus 2. And which we can take this negative up, and we take positive down, which is plus or minus minus plus 1 divided by 2. And we are done for the text solution to this problem. while for the second one at I divided by root 5. Then we also substitute it in this, and when we do the substitution, so the result of this is going to be plus or minus. So from here it's just like, let's say I multiply this by root 5 and I also multiply this by root 5. Okay, just to avoid having root as the denominator, or we can still have it nothing bad in it. So we have this as root 5I divided by 5. That's what we are going to have. And when we try to substitute it in the 1 divided by y, the whole of this become 5 divided by root 5I. And again, I don't want to have a complex root, the imaginary values as the denominator. So what I will do is I will try to multiply both numerator and denominator by I. So by doing that, we have this, then divided by I as well. And we know that I times I is just like minus 1. Okay. And when minus 1 take care of plus minus plus, so which means plus will be at the top and the minus will be at the down. Then we have plus or minus. Then we have 5I divided by root 5. So that's what we are going to get. Or if you still like, we can still leave our answer as I root 5. Still the same thing. Alright. So this is how to do this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more exciting videos like this. See you in the next class. Bye.